How to turn on Popup on Kpress on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on Popup on Kpress easy and fast. So all what you have to do is just go to Grammarly. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to the top and click on keyboard customization option. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. Go down until you find Popup on Kpress. Now from here you can turn it on easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.